It is by the grace of God. I am very, very thanks to God give this for this victory. Kublai sibun sia jarngo ya piwaro nongkor san yonga.
So is this the first time that you are contesting the election? Yeah.
No, three times.
So how many times you have won the election?
Three.
Continuously you won the election?
No, two is lost and this is my winner times.
Okay. So in the previous year you lose the election.
Yeah, yes, I lose the election.
Okay. So please tell us a little bit about what is your role when you're in the district council?
Till now, I cannot say anything, but we'll talk first, our friends and all, and our leaders. And especially, I want to work for my people only.
So, what do you want to say, the message to your supporter, especially the one who makes you win?
Actually, they want to cooperate with me and work together. Only that's all.